Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 6
count in the natural tenor.
I don't know what I am, but that was a
Okay.
beautiful harmony. I'm Val, this is Peter.
That's right.
We danced a bunch and we moved around the floor a bunch and we really talked about relaxing your upper body, and you don't need to do too much unless you really need it. So for example, yes, you're leading tuck turn, lift your arm up. But until then, you don't have to be doing this. And essentially, it's like crying wolf. You can't really communicate. It's not really clear for your followers what you're doing.
And you all really did relax, and it looked a lot better after that.
Yeah.
And we tried this look that
within your legs.
kind of practices that. You know, we did just here where we went rock, step, triple step, just rock, step, come here. Zoom in, but not rock, step, yank. Not that. Not where I'm moving towards her and not where I'm yanking with my hands. I'm just going to go rock, step, come here. I'm using that rock step. Then we did the same thing, but from close position, just a send out. I'm the anchor, rock, step,
And I
triple
go.
step, triple step. And you guys really moved across the floor a lot more smoothly. That was great. Then we did Frankie Sixes one more time with one big finish. Let's do that timing of the jump. 5, 6, 7, we went rock, step, down, up, bam. And the followers turn a little bit, leaders don't. And when we put it together, basic tuck turn it would be like this. Rock, step, down, up, bam. I don't do the down, gravity does the down. And then for Frankie Sixes, it ends like this. Rock, step, down, up, bam. So here's the whole thing. Ooh. Hey. Rock step, booyah, bam. Then we shake it, we shake it, we shake it a butt. And then you keep shaking, and then you never stop shaking. Oh no, I'm stuck. Uh-oh, I can't stop shaking. Oh no, it's going up top till. Oh boy, it's the help.